Well, that concludes our 2020 Spring Valley Virtual Arts Assembly. Thank you for joining us. Even though we could not all meet and experience this together in our auditorium, I want to thank you for your support of watching this and supporting our students' creative endeavors and our school arts program. Even though it's not usually or traditionally sung at the end of our arts assembly, I felt that this next part wasn't just an appropriate way to end our program this year, but it also just felt necessary. So, would you gladly stand? And Mr. Temoney, can you take it away?
Me. We raise our voices proudly, Spring Valley high to your name. How rich is the heritage your Vikings claim. The years will make you glorious, and proud of your name we will be. Answering the challenge you set for our youth. Boom, 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 founded in a great tradition, strong in wisdom's might. You bear the colors of strong Vikings out, green and gold. And we who shared the high school years, spirited or calm, pledge our faith forever to Spring Valley High. Go Vikings!